Nio Firefly to be launched on April 19. Pre-sale price 148,800 yuan. Nio's third brand Firefly is equipped with new style rims that make the overall appearance more refined. At the same time, the pre-sale price of the vehicle is set at 148,800 yuan and will be launched in April this year. The new car, which has a bionic design, has 3 circular halos at the front, which are made of triple headlights that are very recognizable when lit. The body side of the new car adopts a 2-color body design. At the same time, in order to increase the personalized qualities, the C-pillar position of the new car is connected to the roof to form the same color design. At the same time, according to the latest pictures released by the official, the car is equipped with new style dense spoke rims, which make the overall appearance more refined. Thanks to the combination of the triple headlights, fluorescent capsule panel and smart tail ring, and 5 low-saturated vehicle colors, the appearance of the Firefly is quite recognizable. This style is also continued in the interior, using a simple style to create a comfortable space. The lowered IP platform expands the forward field of vision, while the horizontal steering wheel is made of antibacterial microfiber leather for a comfortable grip. The hand gear design makes the front area more spacious, while the 13.2-inch 2.5K high-resolution central control screen and the 6-inch smart instrument panel are arranged horizontally, making it easier to read information. The central channel between the driver and the front passenger facilitates communication, while the wide seats provide a comfortable experience. The interior color is compatible with the vehicle body, and natural tones are selected to create a relaxing home atmosphere. The atmosphere created inside the vehicle is also excellent. 256 color floating light ambient lights are combined with various themes and breathing modes, and light effect interactions are triggered when turned on. 14 speakers provide a visual music experience, while the sound wave animation is synchronized with the atmosphere lights. The materials used in the interior are mainly renewable fabrics, solvent-free leather, etc. The soft textured materials throughout the vehicle comply with mother and baby safety standards. Iconic design elements stand out throughout the vehicle. The user interface design is minimalist and practical, integrating the physical button blind operation design, considering both safety and convenience, and also presetting multiple scene modes. The vehicle's spatial design is also one of the highlights. The vehicle, which has a front luggage volume of 92 liters, the largest in its class, can be flat with the luggage by folding the second row seats, and a flat space of over 1,250 liters can be obtained. There are 27 storage spaces in the vehicle and multiple hidden storage designs to meet various storage needs. The rear of the new car features a roof spoiler design and a rear window wiper. At the same time, the taillight group also reflects the shape of the front headlight group and has a highly recognizable 3-circle design. When we look at the dimensions of the vehicle, the length, width and height are 4003/1781/1557 mm, and the wheelbase is 2615 mm respectively. In terms of power, the vehicle will be equipped with a TZ160S010 model rear-wheel drive motor with a maximum power of 105 kilowatts, manufactured by the Xinjiao branch of Nio Power Technology, Hefei Company, Limited. At the same time, the vehicle will be equipped with a 42.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and the CLTC will have a range of 420 kilometers on pure electric power. According to official sources, the vehicle will use low-friction lightweight rims and highly customized low-rolling resistance tires to further improve energy efficiency. At the same time, better energy consumption performance can be achieved through electric drive efficiency, battery energy density, high voltage and low voltage management, and vehicle thermal management strategies.